Welcome to the Fuck It Stress Kit. These are 9 days to help you learn how you and your body stresses. I am Eva Clark of HealingMS.com, and I have spent over a decade focused on helping those with MS. As a medical hypnotherapist and master NLP practitioner, I have worked with my clients on this psychological, on the subconscious, on childhood stuff, on thought processes and mindsets, and all that inner work that contributes to both the cause, progression, and also contributes to the healing of MS. I published a peer-reviewed article in the Frontiers of Integrative Neuroscience journal on the direct relationship of stress and MS that included a study showing how addressing these underlying stressors reduce both the physical and the mental symptoms of the disease. And all I can say is that through all my experience of working with people diagnosed with MS, I find that the most important issue to focus on and to change is how you stress. So the signature program you are about to embark on in the next 9 days will give you some effective tools to lower your stressors, and with it, begin to lower your body's allostatic load and start taking back control of your body. This is unlike anything else you've done to heal your MS, and way different than anything you've done to manage stress, for sure. For starters, rather than managing stress, we are going to alter how you stress. That's why this program is called Fuck It. It's a teaser of what you are going to learn to do more of. Right? So rather than just breathe through stressors or tap on them or whatever other great management tool you might have learned to deal with stress, instead, here at HealingMS.com, you're going to have tools to transform how you stress. Fuck It is about changing your attitude. It's about slaying the fears that have been under the surface all this time. It's about moving yourself away from feeling the victim of this disease and towards deep inner strength and a whole new way of facing life's challenges. So rather than tell you about it, I prefer to show you and help you experience it. So let's jump into day 1 of the Fuck It Stress Kit.